At Formnext 2025, one of the strongest themes emerging across the show floor is versatility, not only in materials and technologies, but in applications. Today, the same AM equipment can serve radically different markets, from dental and medical to electronics, industrial production, or even aerospace. So the real question becomes, how can manufacturers leverage this versatility to diversify into new markets while relying on the same AM setup? To get a concrete answer, we spoke with XJet.
We have found over the years that our customers might have, and in most cases they do have, different verticals they are expert in. The reason is that different verticals may have similarities in the needs of materials and parts and functionality. So once we understood that material versatility and application versatility is key, we went out and changed our roadmap and developed a new printing technology based on the Carmel Pro, which can have several materials in one machine, in different channels, which you can use separately or independently at your choice. Now, why did we do that? We found out that number one element or driver for diversity is different materials. Now, if you cannot use the same materials and get the same quality on the same technology, you are blocked. That's why we open up all of our materials, ceramics, metal, precious metal, technical ceramic like silicon carbide and tungsten carbide, and they are all working on the same platform. All of them can work on the same platform. So you have one platform that supports all materials in metal and ceramics, and we even went one step further, and we're allowing several channels of different materials on the same machine simultaneously. This is not existing in the market. It's based on our printing technology. And what it gives our customers is the ability to be flexible and diversified. So one day you do alumina jobs for medical, and the next day you can do aluminum and silicon nitride to make coolers. So it opens up for you, once you reach a certain level of quality, it opens up for you a new way to support different customers or same customers with different applications.